In this video, we are going to learn how to move pictures in a Word document. Hello, my name is Mark, and you're watching the Office Master tutorial. Office Master is here to help you learn how to use Microsoft Office in a quick and simple step-by-step tutorials. When inserting pictures into Word, you can move them to any position you like. By default, all the pictures in Word are set as in line with text. This treats the object as if it was text, moving it around the page as text is inserted. This can also divide your document into sections, and moving a picture can be difficult. We recommend setting text wrapping around the picture to make your document more professional and compact. It also enables you to move the picture around freely, forcing the text to move around to accommodate it. This video tutorial shows 3 ways to move pictures in Word. The first way is by using the Align feature. Select the picture, then navigate to the Home tab. In the Paragraph group, choose to align the position for the image, left, right, middle. Keep in mind that this method leaves your image in line with text and doesn't wrap it around the picture. The second way to move your picture is to use the default Position feature. Select the image, then navigate to the Picture Format tab, and in the Arrange group, select Position. Next, select the position from the drop-down menu. The image will immediately move to the location you want and wrap text around it. You can adjust many other settings by selecting More Layout options at the bottom of the drop-down menu. In the Layout dialog box that appears, select the Text Wrapping tab. We are going to select the Type option and click OK to set the position for the photo. To move your picture, select the picture and hold it by holding the left click to move it with your mouse. The last way of wrapping text around the picture to move it is by selecting a picture and navigating to the Picture Format tab that appears on the right in the ribbon. In the Arrange group, click the Wrap Text option and select one option from the drop-down menu. A quicker way to do this is to select the picture and click the Layout Options icon that appears on the right side next to the picture. If you want to wrap text around the picture and blend it more into the document, under With Text Wrapping, select the option that best suits your needs. The most common option is Tight, so in this video we will select it too. To move your picture, select it. Hold the Control key and press the up, down, left, or right arrows to move it into the position you need. You can also select the picture by holding the left click to move it with your mouse. Now we can see that moving the picture in the document is smoother than without the text wrapping. If you don't mind either way about text wrapping, there's another option. Select the image, click Layout Options that appears on the right, and select one of the 2 last options, Behind Text or In Front of Text. And you can move your picture by dragging it anywhere you want. And keep in mind that the latter option will cover up your text. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.